Hi there, and today we are going to learn about how to add clickable buttons and icons in Outlook email. So here I am in the Outlook login page, and let me log in my account first. So click on sign in, enter my email, and then my password. So here is my Outlook account. And then I'll show you an example of an email that has a clickable button and an icon. So let's go here to send items, and then I have this email right here. So I have here an icon, and when you click on it, it will go to this link in YouTube. And then I also have a button right here, so I can click on it, and then it will go to this link in YouTube as well. I also have this one. So I used the shapes feature in the classic Outlook, but it is not clickable, so it just opens the picture right here. So we need to avoid using this method. So in order to create a clickable button, so let's create a new email. So just click new mail, then enter your recipient, enter your subject, then your email content. So if you are using the new version of Outlook, whether that be the web version or the application version, so it will just look the same right here. So from here, we can only add pictures here in the new version of Outlook. So I'll go to insert, then go to pictures, then add this picture of a button right here that says click here. And then I can go ahead and adjust the size of this image, and then we can click on it, then right click, then insert a hyperlink. And from here, we just need to copy the URL, then paste it right here. Then we already have a clickable button in our Outlook email. And then if you want to add clickable icons, you need to use the classic version of Outlook, because the new version of Outlook doesn't have that feature. So I'll open my classic version of Outlook, which is right here, and then we'll go to drafts, and then here is the email draft that we created earlier. So we already have this image right here. Then what we're going to do is that we're going to pop out this email. Click pop out, then you should be here. So if you want to add a image again, you can go to insert, go to pictures, and then this device. Then you can go ahead and find your file. Then it will be added right here. Then you can go ahead and do the same thing, insert a link, and then paste the URL right here. And then this will just be the same button. And then if you want to insert an icon, a clickable icon, let's go to insert, and then we have icons right here. Then you can go ahead and search for a specific icon that you want to send. For example, let's search link. We can send this. Then let's insert a link. Right here. Then we have a clickable icon. And then the other one that I showed you, which I don't recommend since it doesn't bring you to a link. So this one is shapes. So don't use this because it will not open in Outlook. And then for pictures, if you are using the classic version of Outlook, you can also browse some stock images. Then you can go ahead and maybe search for a button right here if they have one, or just any kind of button that you can use, or any kind of image that you can use. And then you can make it a clickable image. And then that's it. You can go ahead and send this email, and then we should see it right here in our sent items. We'll wait for it. So this is the email, and then when we click on it, it will lead us to the YouTube link that we have entered. Then I can also open my other email. Then as you can see, it also has this clickable buttons and the icon. And then that is it. I hope you learned how to do it, and thank you for watching.